Are you looking for the best steam irons in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best steam irons that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, BEAUTURAL Anti-Drip Self-Cleaning 1800W Thermostat Dial Double-Layered Steam Iron. For maximum safety, while ironing your clothes, it would be of a greater idea to get this steam iron by BEAUTURAL. With a power of up to 1,800 watts, you are assured of a quicker heat up and a higher steam output. To keep you safe, it automatically switches off after 8 minutes when left vertically and 30 seconds when left horizontally. The sole plate's ceramic coating is well designed to prevent scratches and lasts longer. Besides, it has 5 different temperatures that allow you to use it on different fabrics such as wool, nylon, silk, linen, cotton, and many other materials. At number 4, YABANO Lightweight Anti-Drip Professional Large Water Tank Steam Iron, Teal. Regardless of the kind of cloth that you are ironing, YABANO Steam Iron offers you smoother results. You can use it on silk, cotton, linen, nylon, and so on because it has variable steam and temperature control. It features the newest rapid heat technology that ensures a faster heat up to save your time. The non-stick sole plate distributes heat evenly and smoothly glides through most fabrics for greater results. Either when the temperatures are too low and when it is not in use, the anti-drip technology prevents any water leakages. Additionally, it is well designed to prevent clothes from sticking during higher temperatures. At number 3, Sharper SI 755 Versatile Dual Voltage Quick Heat Up Time Mini Steam Iron, White. You are assured of well-sanitized surfaces and fabrics with this steam iron brand by Sharper Image. It produces steam that can kill up to 99.9% of bacteria present in your fabric for healthier living. The water tank heats up within the shortest time possible to prevent you from waiting for too long to perform your operations. With the 3 temperature settings and 1 steam control, it means that you can use it on different fabrics that require different settings. This 350-watt machine is powerful enough to get rid of wrinkles from almost all fabrics. Better still, you can fill water in the included measuring cup for better results. At number 2, Mueller 8FT Cord Retractable Cord Professional Grade 3-Way Auto Self-Clean Steam Iron. If you need to get rid of wrinkles on delicate fabrics, it would be a grand idea to try out Mueller Austria Steam Iron. It is equipped with a stainless steel sole plate that glides smoothly through all fabrics and lasts longer. This unit heats up in less than a minute to get you ironing your clothes in a shorter period. Moreover, the 8 feet retractable cord ensures maximum reachability and also easier storage after use. You can as well steam out wrinkles in your hanging clothes using the vertical steam function. That aside, you can leave this unit in a face-down position without scorching or burning your clothes or ironing board. At number 1, BLACK+DECKER Size Cord Reel Stainless Non-Stick 1-Step Steam Iron, Blue. With only one use, you will fall in love with how BLACK+DECKER Steam Iron handles its tasks. It is equipped with a stainless steel sole plate that ensures even heat distribution on every corner of your fabric. You can easily regulate and optimize steam levels with the easy-to-read steam control to meet all your needs. Featuring the steam burst and spray mist button, you can easily control the amount of moisture. Better still, the spring-loaded cord easily unreels and retracts for convenient usage and storage. This makes it one of the best gifts for your friends or family members. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.